In this video, we will see the main advantages and disadvantages of living in the United States. Advantages. High standard of living. The United States is known for having a high standard of living. This means that people have access to high-quality health care, education, and other essential services. Diversity. The USA is a melting pot of cultures and people from all over the world. This creates a rich and diverse society, which can be very interesting and exciting to live in. Opportunities. The USA is known for having many opportunities for people to succeed in their careers and personal lives. There are many industries and fields where people can excel, and there are many resources available to help them achieve their goals. Quality education. The education system in the USA is known for being high quality. Many of the world's best universities are located in the USA, and there are many programs and resources available to help people of all ages learn and grow. Tourism. The USA is home to some of the world's most popular tourist destinations, such as New York City, Hollywood, and Las Vegas. Freedom. Americans enjoy a high degree of political freedom and individual rights. Disadvantages. Cost of living. The cost of living in the USA can be very high, particularly in larger cities. This can make it difficult for some people to afford basic necessities like housing, food, and health care. Politics. The USA's political climate can be contentious and divisive, with heated debates over issues such as gun control, abortion, and immigration. Healthcare. While the USA has some of the best healthcare in the world, it can be expensive and difficult to access for some people. This can be a major disadvantage for people who are struggling with health issues. Violence. The country also has a high crime rate and a significant problem with gun violence. In conclusion, while there are many advantages to living in the USA, there are also some disadvantages that need to be considered. Ultimately, it is up to each individual to weigh the pros and cons and decide whether living in the USA is right for them.